All right, guys, good morning. So I am working on a 20 by 20 inch canvas. It's a gallery wrapped canvas by Modern Masters, and I have 2, 4, 6, 8 colors plus a white that I'm working with. And as I layer my cup, I will let you know what colors those are. I need my water. I haven't sprayed the back of my canvas yet. I ran out of painter's tape, so I'm using some packing tape. Hopefully it holds. All right. Okay. So I'm gonna layer my cup. And we're gonna add some white. And this is Golden Hour. It's a metallic color by Arteza. I love that color. And then I'm going to come in with Folk Arts Fire Opal, also a metallic. And then I'm going to come in with, maybe I'll add a little bit of the gold here. This is 24K gold. And then I have Bordeaux Red by Arteza, which is always a rich color. It's beautiful. And maybe come in again with Golden Hour, just a little bit. And I have, I think it's a silver or a pearl white by Ceramcoat. And Anthraquinone Blue by Goldens, and I mixed a little bit of Payne's Gray in there to get a really nice rich color. And I have Turquoise Deep. Come back in with a little more white and gold. This is Bright Aqua by Liquitex. Golden Hour in the pearl white. Let's see. Use up the rest of the Fire Opal. Golden Hour. And let's come in with some of the pearl white. There's already some cells going on. And that is my cup. I have plenty of paint left over, so mixed up a bit too much, I think. And we're gonna put my white puddle here. And just spread it out a little bit. Don't want it too thick, but I am gonna do a little dollop right here. And my white is Artist Loft Flow White with a little bit of satin enamel in it. And that includes the base as well. And we are going to come in and pour. All right, I'm gonna leave a little in my cup just to do corners or whatnot. And I'm gonna pop any air bubbles. And because I like working with my canvas at a different orientation, I poured over here and now I'm gonna just turn my canvas because this is how I see it. So we're gonna slowly move it just a little bit. Okay, and now I'm going to put some white around the edges. And spread it out just a bit. And I have a lot more bubbles coming up here, so I just mixed my paints. And a lot of times if you mix your paints, I mean, I really whip them together, it creates air bubbles. And then you go and pour it on the canvas, and then there's more air bubbles. So I just want to get those popped. All right, so I think what we're gonna do is go this way first. Just a little more, but not go over the edge. And come over to this one. All right. Usually I start with this corner first, but I wanted to get a better layout of my puddle. And I'm gonna let that side go down and over. I love the fire opal mixing with the golden hour by Arteza. It creates this beautiful coral. I'm going to come down over here, nice and easy, right off the corner, and bring it back. Now let's see here. I want to keep a lot of that fire opal because it is such a beautiful color. This piece is gorgeous. I'm quite fond of it. All right. Now let's clean up the edges, and we're going to bring you guys in just a moment. All right, guys. So this is looking a bit orange, but it's not orange, it's coral. It's a beautiful color. I did add a little of these lines in here from the leftover in the cup, but this piece is so cool. I really love it. I'm very happy with it, and I look forward to pouring a few more before the week's end, so that you all have something to watch while I'm on vacation. All right, so I'm just loving this in here. And this area is so cool. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you got a chance to see the do's and don'ts videos on Rinskadana's channel, Mossy Art Studios, Karen Waterfall Acrylics, and myself from over the weekend. We had a really great time with the do's and don'ts this time. I have called out Molly in my video, so the next do's and don'ts I'll be doing is with Molly's artistry, and that will be taking place later in March. We'll keep you posted. Have a wonderful day, and stay happy.